Got an '07 Cadillac, the DTS here, that will not start after putting the transmission in. Tony took the battery, exposed the battery, which is behind the back. What seat is this? The passenger side back seat. And he put the battery tester on the battery as we go to it, and the tester is here. There's the negative hookup and the positive hookup, and this is reading bad. Now if we press the button to load it up, of course it just go down. It should be over here to the green. It's not there. So now we've been trying to charge this battery from the top up there. Now we're going to charge the battery here, and if it doesn't accept the charge, then we know this battery is going to have to be changed. Okay, because right away it shows bad right away. Okay, I don't care how we wiggle the cables or nothing, it's still showing bad. So we gotta put this on charge and see if it even take a charge. If not, battery we're gonna have to get. Okay, we're back to this Cadillac. This has been on charge for like probably 2-3 hours. So now I'm gonna see what this battery is saying. With this tester here, did it take a charge or no? Well, it looked like it took a charge. Perhaps this will start now. Let me see. Hold it down for a few minutes. Button. And it stays there. So it might start now. Let us see. Let us see if this car starts. Still won't start. Battery is charged up, won't start. One thing I see, the part reverse indicator, this I can put it here, but I don't see nothing happening up there. Part, reverse, neutral, drive. I don't see nothing happening right there. So I don't know what's happening there. So now I gotta go over what the installation. Boy. Okay, we're back at this Cadillac DTS, and we charged this battery and it held up, seemed like it, but we went to go test it today. We're gonna put this on and it went back to weakness, so we're gonna put these on. We end up getting a battery for this thing because it's not holding like it should. See, here's the red cable. I'm putting this on. Ground. You see, it went back to weakness. There's the indicator, it says bad. So No need me, I could push this button down here. That's just gonna make it go lower. So we're gonna put a battery in this thing because it's not holding like it's supposed to. And it looks like this was a used battery anyway, so we're gonna put one in and see what happens. We can't get this vehicle to start. And if you got a bad battery, you definitely won't get anything to start. Can't even diagnose things right. So you get a battery to start, and then we'll see if this vehicle will start. We're here with this Cadillac, and I want you to see this. See that red underneath that indicator? That red was not there. It wasn't starting to let you know if it's in park, reverse, neutral, drive, and it was just lit up like that, but the vehicle wouldn't start. Now remember, we went to the battery, and we had a problem with this battery. The battery was trying to trick us, and what the battery did when we charged it, it went up and it held for about a day, and then it went down to the red, and we put a load on it, was red, which you was able to see that. So we ended up getting another battery, a brand new battery, and putting it on, and that's when that indicator that was over there showed the red dot underneath. So a bad battery stopped this vehicle from starting. Just this battery itself, okay? And we put a transit, wouldn't move forward this car, but here we come with a bad battery situation, which ended up making us keep this car for an extra day, trying to figure out what was going on. But the battery's behind the seat and it's DTS. Now we're going to put everything back together and then test it and make sure it moves forward. All right. We'll go